Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So this video I have made for all the kids who find difficulty in learning the story. In this time of pandemic due to COVID-19, teachers cannot teach their students the story in Hindi, and some parents do not know how to convert English into Hindi. So I have tried to give the story The Fox and the Crow both in English and Hindi. And in my second last video, I have given the story The Thirsty Crow, which was also in English and in Hindi. Hope you have watched that video. So without wasting time, let's see what is the story. The Fox and the Crow. Once upon a time, there was a very clever fox that lived in the forest. One day, the fox was hungry. He really wanted to eat something sweet like a cookie. Just then, he saw a crow sitting on a branch. The crow had a cream biscuit in his beak which he had snatched away from a little boy. The fox's mouth started watering on seeing the biscuit. He started thinking of the way of getting the biscuit for himself. The fox said to the crow, "Dear crow, the Lion King told me that you sing beautifully, but I have never heard your voice. Will you sing a song for me?" he asked. The crow was so pleased on hearing the flattering words of the fox. He immediately opened his beak and began, "Cow, cow, cow." As soon as the crow opened his beak, the cream biscuit fell down. The cunning fox immediately munched it up and went off. The next day, the fox came across the crow again. This time, the crow had a piece of cake in his mouth. The fox also wanted that cake. He said, "Dear crow, please forgive me about yesterday. Your song was so sweet, and I really wanted to hear the whole song. But I spotted a rabbit nearby, so I ran away. Please sing that song for me again." But the crow understood the trick of the fox. He flew off towards his nest with a piece of cake in his beak. After keeping the cake safely in his nest, he returned to where he was sitting and began singing loudly, "Cow, cow, cow." The fox could not bear to listen to the crow's voice and ran away. एक बार की बात है, जंगल में एक बहुत चतुर लोमड़ी रहती थी। एक दिन लोमड़ी भूखी थी। वह वास्तव में कुकी की तरह कुछ मीठा खाना चाहती थी। तभी उसने देखा कि कौवा एक शाखा पर बैठा है पेड़ की। कौवे की चोंच में क्रीम बिस्किट था जिसे उसने एक छोटे बच्चे से छीन लिया था। बिस्किट देखकर लोमड़ी के मुंह में पानी आने लगा। वह अपने के लिए बिस्कुट लाने का उपाय सोचने लगी। लोमड़ी ने कौवे से कहा, "प्रिय कौवे, शेर राजा ने मुझे कहा है कि तुम बहुत अच्छा गाते हो, लेकिन मैंने आपकी आवाज़ कभी नहीं सुनी। क्या तुम मेरे लिए गाना गाओगे?" लोमड़ी की चापलूसी भरी बातें सुनकर कौवा इतना प्रभावित हुआ, उसने तुरंत अपनी चोंच खोली और बोला, "काऊ, काऊ, काऊ।" कौवे ने जैसे ही अपनी चोंच खोली, क्रीम बिस्किट नीचे गिर गया। चालाक लोमड़ी ने तुरंत उसे चबाया और चला गया। अगले दिन लोमड़ी फिर से कौवे के पास आई। इस बार कौवे के मुंह में केक का टुकड़ा था। लोमड़ी को भी वह केक चाहिए था। उन्होंने कहा, प्रिय कौवे, कृपया मुझे कल के बारे में क्षमा करें। आपका गाना बहुत प्यारा था और मैं वास्तव में पूरा गाना सुनना चाहता था, लेकिन मुझे पास में एक खरगोश दिखाई दिया, इसलिए मैं भाग गया। कृपया मेरे लिए वह गीत फिर से गाएं। लेकिन कौवा लोमड़ी की चाल समझ गया। वह अपनी चोंच में केक का टुकड़ा लेकर अपने घोंसले की ओर उड़ गया। केक को अपने घोंसले में सुरक्षित रखने के बाद वह वहां बैठ गया जहां पर वह लौट के आया था और गाने लगा, काव काव काव। लोमड़ी कौवे की आवाज को सहन नहीं कर पाई और भाग गई। Moral of the story: The Fox and the Crow. This story told about the flattering words of the wrong person, that we should never fall for flattering words. In this story, the crow gets influenced by the fox and is blindly by false appreciation. The crow lost her food and the fox gained it by cheating. Therefore, we should always be aware of flatterers and never trust anyone blindly.